It looks like any other morning. The sun rises, birds sing, and millions of people begin another ordinary day. But beneath our feet, Earth is already spinning at nearly 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. We never notice this incredible speed because the air, the oceans, and everything around us move together with our planet. Now imagine something impossible. Without any warning, Earth's rotation suddenly comes to a complete stop. But here's the terrifying part. You wouldn't stop with the planet. At the equator, everything would still be moving at nearly 1,670 kilometers per hour. Because of inertia, your body wouldn't stop instantly. It would continue moving forward at the same speed. In this hypothetical scenario, cars, people, and loose objects disappear instantly because their momentum doesn't. The atmosphere would also keep moving, potentially creating incredibly powerful winds across the planet. Within moments, the atmosphere would keep racing eastward, unleashing winds far beyond the strongest hurricanes ever recorded. The oceans would also keep moving, driving enormous walls of water toward the continents. Even aircraft already flying through the sky would be caught, facing violent and unpredictable conditions. Fortunately, this is only a thought experiment. There is no known natural process that could suddenly stop Earth's rotation like this. The greatest danger wouldn't come from the ground itself, but from everything that refuses to stop moving. Buildings are anchored to the ground, but your body would still carry Earth's near the equator. That motion could be nearly 1,670 kilometers per hour. If the planet stopped instantly, that motion wouldn't simply disappear. According to Newton's first law, objects in motion tend to stay in motion unless acted upon by an external force. In less than a second, powerful winds would begin, sweeping across the landscape as the atmosphere kept moving with its original momentum. The oceans wouldn't stop either. Their enormous momentum could send massive volumes of water racing toward the continents. Coastal cities could face the greatest danger, as massive waves surged inland with unstoppable force. As the winds intensified, even ordinary objects could become dangerous projectiles carried by the rushing air. Within moments, dust, sea spray, and debris could fill the air, reducing visibility across entire regions. Now imagine the rotation suddenly returning after 5 seconds. The transition itself could create another wave of extreme forces. The atmosphere and oceans wouldn't instantly become calm. Their motion would take time to settle. Around the world, scientists would race to understand what had just happened, searching for answers hidden within the data. The truth is, Earth's rotation is one of the reasons life feels so stable. We rarely notice it because everything around us shares the same motion. Thankfully, no known natural process could suddenly stop Earth's rotation. This is a scientific thought experiment built to explore the law. For just 5 seconds, our imagination revealed how delicately balanced our world truly is. Thankfully, Earth keeps spinning every day, making life as we know it possible. Sometimes, the most impossible questions teach us the most extraordinary science. What mystery should Cosmic Vault explore next?